everybody, it's Diana with StampInUpWithDie.com. Welcome to my YouTube channel and this week's Dies Shorts. And I'm going to be playing with the new Painted Wishes kit again. I showed it last week or so and made the cards like they said to make them. But I had ordered a couple extra kits and I just wanted to play around with it a little bit because it's really beautiful. And sometimes I just need like quick note cards. So so this is just another idea that you can use with this kit if you have got yours or you're thinking about getting it. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. My name is Diana and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator and I'm in Santan Valley, Arizona. So I want to thank you for joining me. And so today, yeah, it's just a Dies Shorts. So this is usually like a quicker video generally. And that's what today's will be for sure. So I do come on a live premiere on Monday, Tuesdays, and Fridays, and then it's quick little video on Saturday. Now I've had a couple comments on one of mine before, and the person said that I needed to put words or something because people are confused if they're a new stamper on the quick video. Now the quick videos are a longer video that I have done the week before or the week before that, so it has a full video with the talking and everything, and all I have done is just taken the sound away, sped it up to some cute little music, just in case you missed that video. You it will come to you Saturday mornings and you might go, oh, I missed this one, and then there's a link so that you can link back to the full length one. So I just wanted to make sure that, you know, in case you were questioning that, I'm not for sure who was it said it. I didn't really recognize the name, but maybe if they're watching it again, that will explain it a little better. But if you have any questions, just let me know. All right, so I'm going to stop blabbing. So close your eyes for a second while I get my camera adjusted. Okay, that looks pretty good. All right, so like I said, this is the Painted Wishes kit, and here's the number is 163235, and this is one of the online exclusive kits, so you won't find this in a catalog. I believe I saw it like a little, just a photo of it in the mini catalog, just to kind of, as like a little commercial, right, to kind of remind people about the kits. But it is an online kit, and it makes the 9 cards. And then of course, you know, I did these last week or so the way, you know, it was supposed to be, because it comes with, just in case you missed it, you've got your tear tape, you've got your gold twine, you've got some bling, you've got some dimensionals, and of course the supplies to do the 9 cards. But I wanted to play around with them. It also lists the colors that it coordinates with, and a couple other colors I'm going to use today. So Pretty Peacock and Lemon Lime Twist are the colors I grabbed. Now it does come with these fun little already printed foil peacock little shapes. Just in case you just want to do it like it's supposed to. But like I said, I wanted to have a little bit of fun with it. So I grabbed my Stylus Shapes die, and I grabbed some different greetings because there's no stamp that comes with this set because those greetings are already printed for you. So I grabbed Biggest Wish, Country Bouquet, and Charming Sentiments. I did grab a Heartfelt Hexagon because I need to make a wedding card, so I just grabbed that, but I won't be doing that one on the camera. So what I did do was I saved one of these out to do the wedding card. All right, let me put this behind me. Okay, so what I did do first off was we have these really pretty envelopes. So what I did was I took my seal, because I want to close it all the way. So then I just, you know, close it all the way. Then I cut off just a tiny, tiny little sliver along here. Then I took my stylish shapes, and you could take whatever shape you want. I took the big circle. It really just depends on how big of a circle you want. And then I ran it through my machine, and now I have like a pocket. So I have a pocket now that I can use. So I want to stamp on here because I want to just kind of make some cards. Sometimes I like to have note cards handy. If I want to just do a quick little note, maybe to stick in with an order, stick in with a thank you card or a birthday card. You know, it could be anything, right? Could be I need to put a little note on my door, you know, for a neighbor or whatever. And it's just fun to have little quick cards. They don't have to open or anything. So I thought this would be fun to just kind of play. So I have my lemon lime twist. So I can use these, or this would be a fun little packet to give to a friend. So I'm going to use my lemon lime twist with the friend, and I'm just going to stamp that right here. And then I'm going to take my peacock and my hello, and you can put it wherever you want. Now I'm going to put this here, and then I'll show you one that I did at an angle so you can go, oh, which one you like the best. All right. So this one I just put, you know, straight. This one, I kind of did hello at an angle. So it really just depends on, you know, what you want. You could do hello right over top of the friend too. And that looks pretty cool. Let's see, I have another one here. So let's do this one. I'm going to do it this direction this time. So friend. So then you can decide as well, like if you like it to go, you know, whichever way. All right, so then we have her hello. So this one, I'll put, I don't want to go totally on top of friend because I still want to be able to see like friend. I don't want to cover it too much so then it looks like a T or something. So that's a different look as well. All right. So now let's go to the card. So I have just, you know, these cute 3 little folders or pouches, whatever. And let me find the cards here. So we have that card that I said I'm going to make for a wedding, but I have a third one, right? Now, if I want, I could cut this off and then it will simply be like a postcard, basically, that I can turn around and write on it. But till I know for sure, I'm going to leave it together. All right, so then I'm going to take my peacock pad, and this is the little just wanted to say, and I'm simply going to stamp it along here. So just wanted to say, I have to stand up because my camera's right in my face. So just wanted to say, and look how cute that is. Simple. Simple. I mean, I am not putting any bling. I'm not putting any ribbons because I want them to fit in that little pouch, right? I want them, you know, to fit in there and not be too bulky. And this is adorable. It is. So now I have my just wanted to say. Like I said, when I go to use it, if I have a lot to say, you know, I'll keep it together. If I just have a quick little note, I'll trim this off and then I can just write, you know, in the back there. So here's this one. So we can stick it in here. We've got one little card. Let's see. So I did one ahead of time. So we can stick that one in here. But it's just fun because these envelopes are so pretty. But I was going to do a little bag with them, but there's not a lot of the decoration on them. So when you do the little bags, they do kind of lose some of their height and stuff like that. So that's why I ended up going with the pouch, because I didn't mess with the little bit of decoration on the side. All right, so let's see what else we got. Now this one, that looks like this. Let me get this one. So this is one that's supposed to go on one of the colored cards. So inside this pack, there's some solid cards, right? And then these little guys are supposed to go right on here. But I just want to keep it as like a note card, postcard kind of thing. So I am not going to put it on that big piece. I'm just going to keep it plain. I am going to use the little greeting that did come with it though, just because it's made to put a greeting here. I could stamp on here, but these little pieces, you can kind of tell something's supposed to cover them because you can see how they kind of end, right? So with this, then they're kind of growing around side the greeting. So I'm going to keep this one the same. Now if you want, you can flip this over, and so instead of me putting the glue here, you could put a greeting on here if this greeting isn't to your liking, and that would work. All right, but I'm going to glue it directly down so that it's nice and flat, so then it can stick in here as well. So then there's another one. So here's the one I did earlier. So I should stick it in here. Let me take this one out because I'm just doing two. So we have, oh, that was right. Oh, silly me. Okay, hang on a second. Silly me, I could have left it in that one. I just don't want to catch the back of the envelope. Okay, there we go. And there. All right. Then we have these really pretty ones here. So I'm going to, so this has a place here for, you know, for writing or whatever. So then I'm going to pick my wishing you the happiest birthdays. Now I'm doing peacock with all of them because it's a nice dark bluish green, and that's one of the colors that coordinates with it. So we're going to stamp this right over top because this one, it also came with, you know, those little, whatchamacallits, I said, you know, that we would put there. But look how cute and simple that is, right? You're good to go. You've got your little birthday greeting. You can write it on there. If I decide, oh, I have a lot more to say to that person, I will then simply attach it to here or another card. But for now, it's totally cute. So I'm just going to stick that in my little pouch as well. I did one ahead of time, so I'll stick that one in there as well. And I might stamp on another one. So I'm going to flip this one over and see what it looks like if I stamp it this way. There are no mistakes in stamping, only design changes. And so this is a real bunch of design changes because we're totally doing it different. See, look how cute that is. So it looks good either way. So let me show you them side by side. But look how pretty, because these cards are so easy. So we have that, so we could put one in there. So now I have these cute little pouches that I can use the cards, or I can give them away too, right? Because these are great little kits. I love, like I said, I love the standalone kits, which is this is, because all the greetings are there. But if you have any greetings in your studio, you can put whatever you want. And it holds quite a few, right? I stuck quite a few in there. Let's see, do I have any more? And so here's some of those other little greetings. And what would be fun too is I'm going to just pop these off. Wishing the happiest birthday to you. Pop these off. Thank you for your kindness. I'll pop these off. So this goes on that long one that I put the birthday. And I'm going to slip these in those little pouches as well. And I think, yeah. Because then, if I give these pouches away, or if I use them, I can use these little sayings by themselves, right? They don't have to go on a card. They could go, you know, maybe I give a tip or something, and I could just, you know, maybe I know it's the person's birthday. I could put that in there, or you could stick it in something. But anyways, or the thank you for your kindness. So anyway, so I'm going to stick these in here. So I probably have enough that I could fill 3 envelopes. But just for heck's sake, I'm just doing the 2. But so see, the pouches hold quite a few. And they're just a cute little, that one's just catching on the inside of the envelope. So I think they're really, really fun. It's just another way to use that kit. And I still have, well, this envelope will be going with the wedding one. Oh, that's one I glued. So I still have to do a wedding card. So I have this envelope. Then I have all of this still left from that kit. So I will just be putting it aside. But anyways, I just thought it would be fun to play with that. Maybe you haven't got that that kit yet, and now maybe you'll go, oh, that's a great use for it. So anyways, okay, let me say see you later, alligator. So yeah, I think they're super cute. So I don't know which way you like the writing better. If you like it better up and down, or if you like it long ways or whatever. So I can't decide. They're both cute, they're both fun, and I think that will make this kit, right? You're using it, like you're going to get a lot more use than just 9 cards if you kind of play around with it a little bit. So anyways, all right, well, I have a wedding card to make, so I'm going to get off here. I will see you Monday for my Mimeograph Monday with a twist, and that'll be 3 o'clock Arizona time, same channel, and it will be the first day of January. It'll be New Year's Day, so I'll try to be quick. I was gonna like not come, but I probably will. All right, so I'm going to say have a great weekend, and I will see you next week. So have a great night, and I'll see you later. Bye for now.